Oh. Mimi's. Oh, hi. What kind of juice do you have? Ah! Okay.
Give me the broccoli bag. Give me the broccoli. You guys, this is real life. What are you doing, sir?
Does anyone else own a cat that's super cute and usually looks amazing in photos and videos, but sometimes at certain angles looks like this? Magic. Magic.
No way. No, wait.
Nana, come here.
Are you enjoying your bath? Yeah? Are you having a good time? What? Why not?
I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.